Welcome to the latest how-to tutorial from ITZOO. Remember, before starting any repair, to disconnect all power sources, including AC adapters and batteries from your device.
Dell Latitude E6330 Hard Disk Drive Replacement. Remove the two screws holding the hard disk drive caddy. Remove the caddy from the laptop. Loosen the single screw and remove the drive door. The drive rails simply pull away from the drive. To fit the new drive, simply reverse the steps. Attach the drive rails to the new drive. Add the drive door and screw back in place. Insert the drive back into the laptop. Replace the two screws to lock the drive in place.
Parts for all major PCs and laptops can be found at itzoo.co.uk. We also stock a full range of PCs, laptops, tablets and servers.